Hi guys! So finally, na-try ko na tong dual-powered calculator and I'm sharing some insights this time. Kasi for me who got really long nails, kasi naman mahilig tayo sa nail extension and press-on nails, di ba? So I'm pretty sure relate din kayo na sometimes there are really tasks na medyo struggle tayong gawin. Isa na doon ang pagpindot ng calcu and I admit it, super hirap mag-type kapag masyadong maliit yung buttons ng calculator. Laging nagkakamali ng pipindutin and honestly, uncomfortable siya sa daliri over time. Kaya I was initially looking for something na not too bulky naman para kahit saan pwede siyang dalhin, pero at the same time, hindi naman masyadong maliit para ma-accommodate niya rin yung long nails ko. And this is what I found. Perfect size siya kasi hindi siya mahirap pindutin at safe na safe yung nails ko sa bawat click. Plus, dual power din siya guys. So, pwede siyang for battery use lang and pwede namang for solar power. So, may backup na siya in case na malagutan siya ng power habang nagko-compute kayo at wala kayong spare battery at that time. So, available pala to siya guys in different colors like pink and blue. Pero I got the black one kasi boring akong tao. Kaya, at feel ko madali lang madumihan kung light colors. Pero kung bet nyo yung cute dynamic colors, go for the blue or pink ones. If you want to have this, I've got the link down below, girlies.